Hello, everyone. Today I will show you the Yanmar diagnostic tool. Now let's connect the devices. When the adapter shows green light, we open the software and then try to connect to the device. Select the corresponding machine model after logging in. When the matching is successful, the software starts to load the engine diagnosis interface. After loading, you can see a lot of information about ECU. Then you can start looking up or diagnosing the data you need. If you have problems using equipment or installing software, you can contact us. Thanks for watching.